Carbide burrs are the unsung heroes of metalworking, woodworking, and countless fabrication tasks. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding the ins and outs of these versatile tools can dramatically improve your results and efficiency. So, let's dive into the ultimate guide to carbide burrs, focusing on 10 must-know tips, with a special emphasis on the durability and precision offered by USA-made tools. First, what exactly is a carbide burr? In its simplest form, a carbide burr is a small, rotating cutting tool made from tungsten carbide, a material significantly harder than steel. These burrs come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for specific applications, from deburring sharp edges on steel to shaping intricate contours in aluminum. The main advantage of USA-made carbide burrs lies in their strict manufacturing standards, resulting in tools that offer superior balance, consistent cutting edges, and remarkable longevity. Tip number 1. Always choose the right burr shape for your task. Cylinder burrs excel at flattening surfaces and removing excess material, while ball burrs are ideal for contouring and hollowing. Oval, flame, and cone shapes provide access to tight spaces and allow for precision detail work. Selecting the correct shape not only speeds up your workflow, it also minimizes unnecessary wear on your tools. Tip number 2 centers on understanding single versus double-cut burrs. Single-cut burrs feature a single spiral flute, producing long chips and delivering a smoother finish on materials like steel and cast iron. Double-cut burrs, on the other hand, feature intersecting flutes that create smaller chips, reduce vibration, and allow for faster stock removal. Double-cut is generally preferable for harder metals or when you need to work quickly and efficiently. Tip 3. Know your RPMs. Carbide burrs function best at high speeds, typically between 15,000 and 35,000 revolutions per minute. The optimal speed depends on the burr size. The larger the burr, the lower the recommended RPM. Running a burr too slowly can lead to chattering and premature wear, while excessive speeds may overheat and damage the tool. Always consult the manufacturer's guidelines for precise recommendations. Tip 4. Use gentle, controlled pressure. Let the burr do the work. Forcing the tool into the material can dull the cutting edges and reduce the lifespan of your burr. Instead, guide it steadily and let its natural sharpness cut through the material. Tip 5. Protect your investment by cleaning your burrs regularly. Accumulated debris can clog the flutes and diminish cutting efficiency. Periodically use a soft brush or a gentle solvent to remove buildup, especially when working with softer metals like aluminum, which tend to gum up the tool surface. Tip 6. Prioritize safety. Always wear eye protection and gloves when working with carbide burrs. Secure your workpiece firmly and make sure your rotary tool or die grinder is properly maintained and fitted with the appropriate collet size. Tip 7 is all about tool rigidity. Using a high-quality rotary tool or die grinder with minimal runout ensures smooth operation and reduces the risk of tool breakage. USA-made carbide burrs are often balanced more precisely, translating to less vibration and greater control. Tip 8. For aluminum and other non-ferrous metals, select burrs with specially designed flutes or coatings that prevent clogging. Some USA manufacturers offer burrs with unique geometries specifically tailored for these materials, ensuring cleaner cuts and longer tool life. Tip 9. Store your carbide burrs properly. Keep them in their original cases or a dedicated tool organizer to protect the delicate cutting edges from accidental damage. And finally, tip 10. Regularly inspect your burrs for signs of wear. Dull or chipped flutes reduce efficiency and may even damage your workpiece. Replace worn burrs promptly to maintain optimal results. In summary, investing in USA-made carbide burrs means investing in precision, durability, and reliability. By understanding the differences in burr cuts, matching the right tool to the job, and following these 10 essential tips, you'll maximize the performance and lifespan of your carbide burrs. Whether you're deburring steel, shaping aluminum, or tackling intricate fabrication projects, with the right knowledge and equipment, even the toughest jobs become easier, safer, and more efficient. Use our coupon code below to get 10% off your next purchase.